extract the text from an image, PDF, screenshot, or a scanned document. Welcome back to AI, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly copy text from just about anything. Let's get started. So you've got the PDF or screenshot and you need to copy text from it. This might seem impossible, but with OneNote it is quick and easy. Here's how to do it. First paste image into OneNote. Then right-click on image to copy text from picture. When you're ready, paste it anywhere. OneNote uses optical character recognition, or OCR, to recognize the text. Pretty cool, huh? If you enjoyed the video, give it a like. If you're looking for more great content, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.